Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Miro Online Whiteboard, review my brainstorming and collaboration usage. Miro Online Whiteboard is a collaborative online whiteboard platform designed for teams to brainstorm, plan projects, and visualize workflows. It's aimed at businesses, educators, and individuals needing a digital space for collaborative work. Key features include sticky notes, templates, mind maps, and various drawing tools. Their website provides details about different pricing tiers, from a free version for basic use to paid plans with advanced features and larger team capacities. Miro emphasizes ease of use and real-time collaboration, positioning itself as a more dynamic alternative to traditional whiteboards or static project management tools. It leverages cloud technology to ensure accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. You can check out their website to see specific features and pricing plans that best suit your needs. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Miro Online Whiteboard. Getting started was surprisingly easy. I signed up for the free trial and was immediately greeted with a clean, intuitive interface. I started by creating a new board for a brainstorming session I had planned. Adding sticky notes was a breeze, and I loved how easily I could drag and drop them around the board, group them, and color code them. I also experimented with the mind map feature, which was super helpful for visualizing the connections between different ideas. Performance-wise, Miro worked flawlessly. I didn't experience any lag or glitches, even when multiple people were collaborating on the board simultaneously. I even tested it on my phone and tablet, and while a dedicated app would be preferable, the web version worked well enough for quick edits on the go. I did have a quick question about sharing settings, and their support team responded within a few hours via email with a clear and helpful answer. One minor drawback was the sheer number of features. While this is great for flexibility, it can feel a little overwhelming for new users. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings and find the tools I needed. The standout feature for me was definitely the voting feature, which made it easy to quickly prioritize ideas within our team. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Miro. It's a powerful and versatile tool that has significantly improved our brainstorming and collaboration processes. That's my overview of Miro Online Whiteboard. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.